Hey folks, Alan here again from LearnKoreanFast.com, and in this video we're going to continue on with some numbers and a way we can use them really quickly. And some good news for you is that if you want to learn the months, you don't have to learn special names for the months because they're just going by their numbers. Now, there are a couple of them that are a little bit different, but still it's really simple for us, and that's really good thing. So just quick review. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? So 1 through 10, right? So if I want to do January, it's just first month, right? So a month is just 월, right? So we just have 월, right? So 월, so we just get 월, right? So 1월, 1월 is January, right? So 1월, 2월, right? So 1월, 2월, 3월, 4월, 5월, right? And it gets kind of contracted together, right? So we have January, February, March, April, May. Now it changes just a little bit for June, right? So we remember that 6 is 6, but for June, the 6th month, we're not using 6. Instead, it changes, just drops off that 기억, right? So 6월 is for June, right? And then we go back to normal. So 7월, 8월, 9월, right, through September. Then we're going to drop that bottom, that 받침 there again, right? So no B up. So 10 is 10, but for 10th month, we get 10월, right? So that gives us October. And then we're going to go back to 11, right? So 11 is 11, 11월, November, and 12월 is December, right? So it's really easy. So only have to remember these couple that are a little bit of the oddballs here, right? So that's 유월 and 시월, right? So 유월, 시월, the only ones that are different, right? So it's a very easy way for us. It's also a good way for us to remember the number orders, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, we can just remember them that way, right? So I hope that helps you out. Be sure to hit the subscribe button below if you haven't done that already. Hit like, hit share. If you've got a question or a comment, leave it below, right? Be sure to check out the links to LearnKoreanFast.com, where you can find a couple of free resources that are there. And also there's a link below in the description to my books on Amazon. And that really helps me out because it gives me more time to make more of these videos for you guys. All right? So thanks a lot. 감사합니다. 다음에 뵙시다.